Here's how to increase conversions in any funnel. I'm going to teach you a principle that will allow you to take any funnel out there, be it for agencies, coaching, for anything, and to make it better, convert the right people more, and make you more money as a result. We've all heard the principle always be closing. And of course, we think of the sales call. You're on a sales call and you're always closing sales and you're going through the sales process at every point and everything is sales, and anyone you talk to, you need to close them, and anyone you meet is a lead, and always be closing. It's this magical, all-encompassing principle that covers everything. But I started looking at it a little bit differently. Instead of everything is sales, I started looking at it as sell the next step of the process. So let's say you're selling an agency service. The first step of the process would be they click based on your title somewhere of an ad or of a post on a job board website, and then they read the title, and the title implies something that they want. And then they read the first paragraph, and the first paragraph sells the second paragraph. The second paragraph sells the third paragraph. And then the general copy sells the sales call that they need to get on with you to be converted into clients. And this is all in their benefit. So every part sells the next part. On the sales call, you sell yourself and the program or the business or the service that you sell. On inside the program, when you're working with someone, you're constantly selling them the idea of keep working with me, right? So it's not just always be closing sales, it's always be closing the next step of the collaboration, next step of the relationship. And if you approach it this way, you're going to have longer lifetime value with clients. You're going to have better conversions in your funnel based on the leads that you actually want to convert, not just like everyone and anyone. And you're not going to have this massive drop-off of leads that result in lack of revenue, because most people have a lot of leads in their business and they don't realize that they have a lot of leads. They just think, oh, this is unqualified, that is unqualified, and so on. Instead, they should be focusing on building a funnel that gets the exact right type of lead and converts as many leads as possible. And if you do this properly with very, very few leads, and I'm talking about just under a dozen a month, you can build a multi-six-figure business. Sounds crazy, but it's true if you do this properly. Are you tired of trying to close clients that are just not good enough? They don't have enough money, their business sucks, so if you work with them, it's not really going to be good anyway. They don't know how to communicate, and they're going to blame you for their own business failure, even though you're delivering a service, not running their entire business. Are you tired of that? Well, one solution is to sell to higher-end clients. So what I have for you now is the next video, which explains how to sell to wealthy people, how to sell to wealthy clients. Click on this video here, and please also subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and the little bell notification icon, and I'll see you in the next video.